wanna know his secret?
What's up guys, welcome back to the Cody project. So I did a video about ceramic coating my Jeep and it's been about a month ago. Everybody was asking how it looked now, how it held up, so I wanted to let you check it out. Let's do it. Alright, so here's the bad boy. I haven't washed it, haven't done anything to it. I've been driving in the weather, the rain, all that good stuff. I mean, see what it's supposed to do? It leaves like this residue on it. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but it kind of like leaves this bubble up effect on it. It's still pretty awesome though. I mean, most of the water comes off, dirt will stick to it, but it should just come right off when you wash it again. See, there's some residue, just kind of stick from the top of it. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but brake dust still holding up pretty good. Still bubbling up. Look at that. Water is still repelling. Yeah, look at that. Water's still coming right off. Even after a month, coating's still on it, guys. Pretty badass stuff. Oh yeah. Look at that. Water just comes right off of that bad boy. I mean guys, even after a month, I haven't washed it, haven't done anything to it. And I mean shit, look. Still going hard. Still don't know how long it's gonna last, but that's after a month, guys. Check the wheels out. I mean shit, the wheels are almost dry already. The rims though, the brake dust, right off. It's pretty awesome, man. Not gonna lie. Thanks Exoforma. Pretty good product, guys. Also, I'm about to do another video about the wheel cleaner since we're on there. And I'm gonna try it on my work truck. So we're gonna put it to the test. But anyway guys, just wanted to say thanks for watching. Got more videos coming up. Subscribe, like, share, do what you do. Thanks again guys. Peace.